Yeah, I feel like calling up a tow company right now.
Do it.
God.
Do it.
Hey, how can I help you? Yeah.
Hello?
You guys, is this the tow company?
No, this is a gas station on Livingston Ave.
Oh, but I googled you guys and like I'm in a really bad jam right now. Like I'm in a really bad tow jam right now. How big are your toes?
The toes is just a regular flatbed, but no one's here for the night. Everyone's gone.
All right, because I'm in a real tow jam. Do you understand? Like, I need someone to help. I need someone.
I can give your phone number to another tow truck company.
How big are their toes?
I have no idea. I just pump gas, sir.
Well, do you know how many toes do they have?
No, I don't know.
Oh my God, man! Like my car is like total.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. You want the phone number? You can give them a call.
What number are you gonna give me?
Towing.
Whose toes?
Towing. You want the number or no?
Yeah, sure.
973.
973. Hold on. Just go slow down. My toes really hurt. 973.
Yep. 2013.
Toe 093.
13.
13.
Yep.
All right, man.
Alright.
Yo. That was fucking great. That was fucking great.